What's going on, guys? Welcome to Nate's Auto DIY. Today we have a 2007 Pontiac Vibe. I'm going to show you how to disconnect the daytime running lights from your car so it's not annoyingly on all the time. So what you got to do is go in your driver front area. This driver area, you go underneath. Hold on just a sec. You go underneath the dash where your steering wheel is. Let me turn my light on. Okay. So this is underneath the steering wheel when you go underneath here. And then there will be this box that's hanging right here. And you have this wire that you have to disconnect from this box. And so you cut off the 12th wire, which is on the left side. When you're looking at the left side of this thing, the smaller ones down here, it's the top left one right there where my fingernail is pointing, which is a red and white wire. So it's this one right here, red and white. You cut that off, and then you can tape the ends with some electrical tape or whatever so they don't touch by accident. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and I will show you the result. Alright, so once you cut it out, what you see here, I cut the wire out right here. So now go ahead, plug it back in. Okay, now this wire is all the way back here. I'll tape it a little later, but I want to show you real quick. So this is plugged in, so now we can start the car and we'll see if the daytime running lights are gonna stay off. Alright, so the car started, so I'm gonna turn the lights on. It's gonna be hard to see. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. I'm gonna turn them off, or I'm gonna turn them on right now. So hold on. I'm gonna turn them on. I'll go outside so you can see that they're on. So you can see that they're on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights off. Alright, I'm gonna turn them off now. Okay. Go back out. And they're off. So there you go. That's how you disable the daytime running lights. You just gotta cut off the 12th wire underneath the car. Just tape up the ends so they don't touch by accident. And there you go. Now you don't have to have the annoying daytime running lights on all the time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a like if this helped out. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.